Officially the tallest residential tower in Bangalore at a height of 161.5 meters. This 50-floor marvel is the first of its kind in Bangalore and only the fourth 50-story building in India. Crafted by the expertise of CNTC Hong Kong, known for iconic projects like the Shanghai Tower, the world's second tallest building, the Federal Mansion in Russia, the Oriental Pearl Tower in Shanghai, and the Kuwait Palace, this tallest tower in Bangalore is redefining luxury living now in Bangalore. For your ease and better understanding of this marvel, we have divided the review into the following parts. We will be covering the project highlights, an in-depth review of the project location, nearby landmarks, and connectivity, spaces and units, key construction and interior features, investment potential, and finally the pricing of this luxury iconic project. Residential tower isn't just another high-rise, it's a lifestyle statement. Picture this, two stunning towers housing 352 apartments and 16 exclusive sky villas set to redefine luxury living in Bangalore. And guess what? Handover begins in December 2024, so you could soon call this masterpiece home. What sets it apart? Imagine waking up to three-sided ventilation, ensuring a constant breeze and ultimate comfort. Valet parking and concierge services cater to your every need, making every day feel like a luxury retreat. But wait, there's more. Step into the heart of the tower, a colossal 40,000 square feet clubhouse loaded with over 50 world-class amenities. And that's just the beginning. On the 50th floor, discover an infinity pool with breathtaking city views, a rooftop party deck for unforgettable gatherings, a glass dance floor under the stars, and an open-air auditorium for cultural evenings. Need to unwind? Dive into the jacuzzi, find your zen in the meditation zone, or explore the observatory for a glimpse of Bangalore's skyline. The Sky Park is where dreams come alive. Imagine strolling along a tree-lined jogging track, hosting grand events at a massive amphitheater, all while soaking in the panoramic views. With 85% open space spread across a lush 5.3-acre plot, every corner of this oasis exudes luxury and tranquility. Oh, and here's a rare perk, no shared walls between apartments, ensuring utmost privacy and exclusivity. It's nestled right in the heart of Bangalore, in Yeshwantpur, Rajajinagar, within the bustling Yeshwantpur industrial area, conveniently situated on the main road. Imagine this, the Yeshwantpur metro station is a mere 3-minute walk, that's just 850 meters to catch a train. The Yeshwantpur railway station is a breezy 750 meters from your doorstep. And if you're jetting off somewhere, Kempegowda International Airport is a smooth 33 kilometers drive. For your everyday needs, the ISKCON temple is just 3 kilometers away. About time to shop, you've got the popular Orion Mall a short 3-kilometer drive, 7 minutes, and Vaishnavi Sapphire Mall a bit further at 4 kilometers, 10 minutes. Healthcare close by? Absolutely. Manipal Hospital is a quick 2.4 kilometers, 6 minutes, Fortis Hospital is just 3.7 kilometers, 9 minutes, and Sparsh Hospital is practically next door at 400 meters, 2 minutes. Narayana Eye Hospital is also nearby, just 3 kilometers, 8 minutes away. For the business-minded, you're surrounded by world-class office complexes like the World Trade Center a mere 2.5 kilometers away, a quick 6-minute drive, and Brigade Twin Tower just 800 meters, 3 minutes, down the road. Looking ahead, upcoming office spaces like Brigade Deccan Heights, 180 meters, 1 minute, and Sattva Knowledge Park, 400 meters, 2 minutes, are set to enhance the area's vibrancy. These excellent local amenities and unbeatable accessibility make the Presidential Tower more than just a home, it's a promising investment opportunity waiting to be seized. Presidential Tower caters to luxury living with a range of options designed to fit every lifestyle. Imagine yourself in a spacious 3 BHK luxury apartment, starting from a comfortable 1,595 square feet. Or perhaps you prefer something even more expansive like our 3 BHK units at 2,310 square feet, offering ample room for your family and guests. For those seeking the ultimate in space and comfort, we present our lavish 4 BHK luxury apartments spanning 3,055 square feet. And for those dreaming of elevated living, there are our exclusive sky villas, truly a class apart. Each unit is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a blend of sophistication and practicality that defines luxury at its finest. The Presidential Tower sets new standards in luxury and cutting-edge technology, boasting exceptional features meticulously designed across every floor. Using the latest construction techniques and a consortium of top technology partners, it exceeds expectations in every way. Imagine living in a home where safety meets sophistication. The structure is earthquake-resistant, featuring beamless ceilings and fewer columns for a spacious feel. Inside, lightweight concrete block masonry ensures sturdy internal walls, while robust RCC forms the external walls. For a seamless aesthetic, the external walls are coated with weatherproof paint, while emulsion paint and gypsum plastering create smooth, elegant interiors. Step inside to experience pure luxury. Imported Bottesino marble flooring graces the living, dining, and bedroom spaces, epitomizing opulence. Outside, the balcony invites relaxation with its wooden shaded ceramic tile flooring. When it comes to safety features, the Presidential Tower leaves nothing to chance. Fire-resistant electrical wires and elegant modular switches combine functionality with style. In the kitchen, a gas leakage detector ensures peace of mind, while sprinklers and smoke detectors in living, dining, and bedrooms provide round-the-clock safety. The kitchen is equipped with a heat detector, adding an extra layer of protection. For convenience, 10 high-speed lifts whisk you effortlessly from the basement to the 50th floor in under a minute, ensuring swift access to your residence or the breathtaking amenities above. The Presidential Tower isn't just a luxury residence, it's a goldmine for savvy investors. Let me break down why. Over the last year alone, the project's price has seen a solid 4% appreciation. But here's where it gets exciting. During its construction phase, prices have already shot up by an impressive 36.7% over the past 5 years. And guess what? Experts predict another 30% increase in the next 5 years once it's fully completed. Now, let's talk about Yeshwantpur. Property prices here have skyrocketed by a whopping 40.9% in the last 5 years. That's the kind of growth investors dream about. And if that's not enough, once completed, experts estimate that the Presidential Tower could fetch a cool 2 lakhs per month in rental income. Imagine that, a substantial return on your investment right here in Bangalore's tallest residential landmark. This makes the Presidential Tower not just a smart investment, but possibly one of the best opportunities in Bangalore's booming real estate market. Now, let's talk numbers. Here's what you can expect in terms of pricing at the Presidential Tower. Picture yourself in a spacious 3 BHK luxury apartment of 1,595 square feet in space. The price starts from just 2.9 crore. Need a bit more space to spread out? The 3 BHK luxury apartments of 2,310 square feet begin at 3.9 crore. For those seeking even grander living, the Palacio 4 BHK luxury apartments offers 3,055 square feet of pure luxury, with price starting at 4.9 crore. As for our exclusive Sky Villas, well, you'll have to get in touch with us directly to discover their unparalleled elegance and pricing. Now that we've explored the incredible highlights of the Presidential Tower, it's clear why it stands out as the perfect choice for luxury home buyers and savvy investors alike. If you're looking to make the Presidential Tower your next residential real estate investment, don't hesitate to reach out to Crazy Assets.